Hi there, in this video we're looking at the user interface for Cape Town luxury villas. The front end, what the clients see and what Google sees. Here we go, user interface, and it's here suggested that it would take 2 days to create the header, the logo and the footer. That's this section up here, the sticky header that you see all the time, various links. We've got the header with the phone numbers, and we've got a nice logo, and at the bottom there's a nice looking footer including the programming and the design. We're suggesting that would take 2 days. Home page and search pages. Okay, the home page and the search pages are identical, and maybe that's why this website has done so well. One comes straight to this page, one has all the navigation options, one's got the nice header, and one immediately sees villas. If one scrolls down, we see different villas, and it's, it encourages people to immediately click on a picture, and once they've done that, you've got past what's known as the 8-second rule. The 8-second rule is when someone comes to your website, if they haven't made an interaction or got interested in something or clicked something within 8 seconds, they're likely to just go on to the next website. In terms of the search pages, we just click here, and instead of the 1 to 16 villas in the list, we see the next 17 to 32, and one can carry on a lot of times. Okay, that's the search. Sorry, that's the home page and search pages. Galleries within navigation. This is a nice little trick. Where one's on the home page or search page, one can look through the top 8 pictures of any villa. To do this, we had to resize over 20,000 photographs and create the technology. So we're saying that's about 4 days. Okay, the navigation and more options. Let's just put that picture back to where it should be. The navigation and more options is up here. This was the second version. The first version we didn't work for us, and we sort of wanted to make it very simple. So yes, one can click on an individual villa, but there's an immediate button for Camps Bay Villas, which is the most popular search term after Cape Town Villas. Jet Set Villas is obviously the most luxurious. Near Beach, 2016 New Year. Need to change that to 2017. We'll do soon. And there's more options. So you drop down here and one can see big swimming pools, villas with views on the beach. So you've got on the beach or near the beach, and that changes depending on the distance to the beach and whether it's in a beach location. So many options. One good thing about these options is it creates pages that have a little bit of text, that have, if you want all big swimming pools, look, you can see it there. It's a big swimming pool, big swimming pool. They've all got big swimming pools. And this helps with Google. If someone wants to type in big private swimming pool in Cape Town, these pages get recognized. So it's not only a tool for the use of clients, it is also for Google to make pages specific to all of these keywords directly linked from the home page. In addition to the more options and simple navigation, we have some drop downs. For here, one can change the location. Here one can change the style grade, bedrooms. One can order by price or order by points, and we'll get to that later. Also included in this navigation is the currency. You see it's in pounds because I'm in England, and that's where we're looking at it from. If we were looking in South Africa, you would see it in rands. In Sweden, you would see it in krona. And one can just change at the flick of a button. And there we go, we're seeing everything in rands. Okay, so that's navigation and more options. The individual villas page, that's the home page of the villa. Let's have a look at this one. And you see we've got this nice gallery, and we can just click a button and it turns to full page, which is a nice way to show the shots one can go at the bottom. Scroll through the pictures, and if one wants to look at an individual picture, one can. We have attributes, the top attributes, and we'll look at the creation of how we make these attributes later, but they're displayed in a relatively nice way. These prices are all automatically coming from the Razor system, so they're up to date to a point. However, the Razor system is still showing 2016 prices as 2017 prices for New Year next year, and we are making a temporary fix for that problem by adding 15% to every single villa for that time period that comes from Razor. Not a lot of people could do that. We can see it shows a short description, a longer description. We have Google Maps showing where it is. One can scroll out, one can scroll in. And then at the bottom we've got nearby villas, and this particular villa, there's no villas on the database that are within 0.5 kilometers. If we were to change it to 1.5 kilometers, we start seeing some nearby villas. When it comes to Camps Bay, there's an awful lot of close villas, but we'll talk about that in the next section, which is actually now, so we're going to talk about it now. Okay, let's go to a villa in Camps Bay. Let's just click Camps Bay and that'll take us there. And well, let's have a look at this one. This one's near the beach. Let's see what it shows in nearby options. We can see here it's right on the beach, and below we've immediately got 3 options, and it's saying that there are 3 of 27 options that are nearby. It shows the closest one first. This is under 100 meters away. This is under 100 meters away. This is about 100 meters away. Let's have a show all. And we can see 100 meters away, 100 meters away, 100 meters away. So if one's looking to for a group booking or a wedding, or if one's simply looking for villas near the beach, one can look at any beach villa and then look at all the other ones that are close to it. And we've put in there 3 days. XML sitemap, this is of no use to the public, but it is useful for Google. You can see it here, XML sitemap, and unless you can read XML, this doesn't make much sense. Quickly, this is the URL, Cape Town Luxury Villas. It says change it, re-index every week, and it's the priority of 1, which is the highest. And the higher the villa, the better placed the villa, the higher it is in priority for the sitemap. About Us pages, there's quite a few. There's a history page with some nice graphics and some nice logos, so as clients go, oh, you know, work with those people. There's an About Us, there's a team page, there's a banking details page, there's a contracts page, and there's a Contact Us page. And we're saying that's about 1 day's work. Like many pages, it was actually longer, but that's what we're putting in for due diligence, i.e. we do not want someone to argue the time with us, so we're always picking the lowest time. And overall, the user interface took 27 days or 189 hours. Thank you.